Today, we're back at it. Mold outbreak.
We're also going to go ahead and get rid of these carpets, I believe.
We're completing last-minute items as well as finally tossing that Spectra Watermaker.
There we go. Now it's making water. Look at that. Oh.
We also got the new trampolines in, and we will get them installed.
You hear that?
Yeah. Oh, that's so much better.
So I got his computer set up.
As well as keeping life going aboard.
And some weird nail.
Like a fingernail?
No.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Let's get started.
We had a little bit of a mold outbreak.
Well, it's more like mildew, wasn't it?
Mildew, yeah.
It wasn't like mold.
No, not like. So I'm just wiping everything down with like a vinegar. I'm doing, every year or every 6 months, I try to go through every cubby and do a reset and just wipe everything down, get rid of the stuff, expiration dates, all that good stuff. So,
Yeah.
But it's like, it'll take me all day. It's not a lot, but it's like tedious type stuff. So
Brittany is working inside while I'm working outside. Resetting the boat, getting ready to leave.
yeah.
We dumped the Watermaker off today. This is like bittersweet. Actually, it's like mostly sweet.
Yeah,
right?
the Watermaker's bitter.
Yeah, we're done with this thing, man. We've been fighting this Spectra Watermaker for years and years. It's just hemorrhaging money, man, So we went ahead and ripped this out, and we're going to install a blue water Watermaker. Supposed to be really good Watermakers. They're really pricey. Hopefully we'll pay for what we get, but I'm excited about that, right? It's shipped, should be here this week, so I'm ripping the Spectra out. We might list that for like really cheap for somebody.
They have to be good with Watermakers and patient.
Somebody that wants a Watermaker, it's supposed to be a good Watermaker and has the time and spend all the effort in trying to get it to run right,
A lot of people are into like that fine tuning stuff and they have the time, but when we're out there cruising in these remote locations, it's become a little bit hard.
We've come home twice now from remote islands because of this Watermaker specifically.
Yeah.
Because we're running out of water and it's just shit itself again.
And if you think about it, the amount of money we keep putting into it, we will have bought a blue water Watermaker anyways.
Yeah, no kidding.
Just cut our losses and be done.
This replacement is right after we had it completely rebuilt from like the factory.
I know. Both times it just kind of didn't work right away.
Yeah, so I'm excited. We're going to get this thing out of here, make some room for the new one to come in. That's, like I said, it's shipped and it should be here this week. So we're going to have some guys come out and professionally install this thing and we'll see how it goes. Blue water.
It's about time. This old Watermaker has been so unreliable. Plus, it only made about 9 gallons an hour. We're excited to get it gone and install the blue water Watermaker.
We got this new dehumidifier here. We had a really big one, but I thought I'd get this, but so far it's been running for like 5 minutes. I don't see any water, but we'll see. We'll see. There we go. Now it's making water. Look at that. Oh.
And I'm going through and like just throwing away a cup that doesn't get used is a huge deal on the boat.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm throwing away all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I go through like my Tupperware lids didn't match up, so I can get rid of the stuff that doesn't match. And it makes it a lot easier. I was wondering about your guitar that's hanging out in our bathroom.
I was thinking about getting rid of that.
Yeah.
We're also going to go ahead and get rid of these carpets, I believe. We've had carpets throughout the boat like this, and then here. This one's awful because the engine's under here, as well as through hulls, and it's one big piece. So it just gets really messed up and doesn't really work very well. So we're going to take them out and put some bathroom rugs. Okay, Bryn, go for it.
Yes.
Beautiful. Nice job. Hooray. Honey, it's not Christmas.
My heart just melts. On another note, the new trampolines came. Jeremiah and Reese got busy on installing them. I guess we'll see how all that measuring turned out.
How's it going, Reese?
Good.
What's going on in here?
Nothing.
Why is Mom making your bed?
I don't know. She just started.
She started? Oh, you know what? You're not gonna stop her? You're like, let me jump in there, Mom. Let's see, are you sleeping with your little race car set over there?
No. I'm getting reset up for school. He's gonna do it in his room today.
Oh, good, because he has a little bit of a cold, I guess.
It doesn't matter though. But we're working out there so he can concentrate. So I got his computer set up, his iPad to help him. Then he's gonna use this as like the hard desk.
Oh,
And it's like, I have to sit on the floor? Are you kidding me?
What do you think, Bryn?
Nothing.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
We got this thing called Ride Safer, and it's actually a approved car seat for kids. This is the extra small one. Can you turn around so I can see the back? Oh, that's nice. Okay. Turn around. So this is for Bryn to ride in a car when we're cruising. It's a car seat. Comes with a little bag of like belts and stuff, and we haven't actually put it in the car yet. We just tried it on her, but what do you think of that, honey?
That is amazing.
Yeah, isn't that cool? So we used to carry the car seat around like with an anchor locker and stuff, lazy Gecko. But I mean, that's great for like if you have to hop on a flight, walk through the airport with it on. She seems to love it.
Now we don't have a car seat floating around.
Right. Very nice.
I love it. What a good find. Oh. Bryn likes the camera.
Well, do you want to wear your car seat? Yeah. All right.
Jeremiah's finishing up the trampolines. A little earlier, I got to do a little comparison of the new from the old.
Wow. What a difference.
What do you think?
I like it. Can I step on it?
No, that's your own risk.
Oh, yeah.
We're still tightening it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, look at that. Looks good. We went with tan, and that will be tighter. Like I have to do it in stages, and then it's all still being adjusted. Yeah.
And they feel kind of bounce on these
I
ones?
don't know if I'd bounce. These kind of seem like they kind of, at the end it kind of came out, but I've reset it, and it's been good so far. See what happens.
What do you think of the color?
I like it. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Something new.
It is something new. I like it.
Yeah. We'll see. This is all Dyneema, and this is all crap.
Crap?
Yeah, that's crappy line. That's Dyneema.
Oh.
So,
did they give that
like,
to
watch.
you?
Step on this one. No, I bought that. Step on it. You hear that?
Yeah.
Now step on the other one.
Wow. It looks like it's just falling apart.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so much better.
It's really nice.
Oh my gosh. I guess I just got used to the squeak.
Yeah.
Good job, honey.
Yeah,
It's taking you a while. I guess it's a big job.
No, it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we'll get it. Well, how was the first day back on board Calypso for you?
Busy.
Well, it's great that you got the galley, like, you know, looking good.
Yeah, I went through every single pantry and cleaned everything up.
Yeah, we stayed pretty busy. We took a lot of stuff off, brought some new stuff on, and installed the trampolines. That's cool. Pretty tired.
Hi guys.
I might smoke a cigar tonight. It's so nice out. No, a cigar.
Oh, a cigar.
Yeah, just because it's so nice.
How many do you have?
I think I brought like 6.
Oh.
And then we have the dehumidifier sitting in here because it's been kind of moist in here, which is not a good feeling. Bye, girls.
Bye.
Bye, Bryn.
Bye.
The next day, we had to tear the room apart to run some cable for the new water maker. This is always fun.
Are you getting your little collection of stuff out of there?
This is pretty gross.
I know it is. What is there? What's in there?
Pretzel bags that have been opened.
That's great.
Pretzel. I don't even eat the pretzels though. 2 hair ties, 2 toys, and some weird nail.
Like a fingernail?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. That's probably just part of the
So
bug.
before you put the mattress down today, I need to clean this.
We can do that.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
We have the people come in to run a new wire, so what we have to do is get in under the bed and remove all these carpets all the way through. The wire gets run out of there. But we're replacing the wire for the old water maker for a bigger one, a heavier gauge.
Coming up,
Well, he's working on the water maker. Going to sit and relax.
we're off the dock and commissioning Calypso's brand new water maker.
About 25 gallons an hour.
And then we're heading south. It's time to get Calypso to a haul out for some normal maintenance as well as some major upgrades.
Somebody made me get dressed for the video.
Stay tuned, we're just getting started. You can visit us at www.thelazygeckos.com. You can also see more on our server and Vimeo channels. Please subscribe and check out these other episodes. See you next time.